Decentralized innovation is no longer the hype, it's happening. But what's powering this shift from experimentation to real-world blockchain adoption? Today, we're exploring the cloud's role in helping blockchains scale securely and responsibly. We asked Omar, who's leading our blockchain and Web3 efforts globally, and Shiv, our cloud solutions architect in Asia Pacific, to share their perspectives on why decentralized services are gaining so much traction today.
Decentralization offers transparency, resilience, and user control, all things that businesses and consumers are asking for in today's trust deficit environment. But decentralized systems can be technically heavy. To be viable at scale, you need an infrastructure that matches the distributed nature of blockchain and can support its demands. That's where the cloud comes in. One that is attributed with the ethos of technologies being used to support. By distributing services closer to where users actually are. Decentralization also enables faster response times, improving the user experience, no matter their location.
In Asia Pacific, we are seeing real urgency to move fast across fintech, logistics, even public services. But decentralized doesn't mean disconnected. The cloud brings the performance, security, and flexibility needed to make decentralized app both functional and compliant.
Think about what blockchain applications actually require. Distributed compute, storage, real-time synchronization of the blockchain systems, high uptime, infrastructure automations, APIs, and compliance in multiple jurisdictions. Cloud does that and adds a trusted layer for networking security, managing keys and identities. You're not just hosting blockchain, you're enabling and participating in an entire trust ecosystem.
And here in APAC, it's about proximity and scalability. If your users are in Vietnam or in India, latency matters. Our data centers across the region enable fast, reliable node development and help meet data localization rules without compromising on performance. In India, we are seeing an adoption of blockchain to create immutable records of land ownership, which are then digitized and stored permanently on the system, with the ability to track any change in the ownership of these titles. Another vertical where we are seeing the adoption of blockchain is in pharmaceutical sector to address the challenge of counterfeit drugs. Using blockchain, when drugs are moved through the supply chain, each transaction is pushed by the internal systems in an automated manner and registered as well as time-stamped using the ledger to ensure security and the safety of the product. Due to decentralization, encryption methods, and immutable records, keeping a large amount of associated data can be shown to the stakeholders without compromising the data security.
In Europe, we are working on use cases around cross-border trade and digital credentials. These aren't pilot projects anymore, but national-scale efforts using decentralized technology with a backbone of enterprise-grade cloud. Globally, we are seeing major financial institutions, especially banks, beginning to overhaul their legacy systems to integrate blockchain. It's a significant shift aimed at improving transparency, security, and cross-border efficiency, powered by decentralized infrastructure and the scalability of the cloud. The next leap is interoperability. Chains that can speak to each other. Also, AI and blockchain are starting to converge, especially for verifying data provenance. And we're going to see decentralized identity frameworks go mainstream.
In APAC, we see a lot of more hybrid deployments, part on-chain, part in cloud. Governments and businesses are co-creating standards and exploring blockchain as a service. There is a maturity growing in the region and huge innovation potential.